To fix battery drain on a Realme GT 7 Pro, there's a few things that we can try. First thing is to close any background apps, and you can do it by clicking on those three lines in the top, in the bottom right corner of our screen, and click on Close All. If you don't have buttons, then swipe up and hold your finger here around half a second, and then again close them all. Now we can move to our notifications panel. Here make sure that you don't have anything like a timer or something like that that consumes a lot of battery. Just switch it off. Then we can go for our quick access panel and make sure to disable anything that consumes battery, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, location service, and etc. You can leave NFC on as it doesn't consume a lot of battery. Then we can move to the settings. Inside, scroll down and select battery. And if you're running very low on battery and have no way to charge it for the next few hours, then you can go for a battery mode and switch to super power saving mode, which, as you can see, gives me 1 day and 24 hours of working time on my phone. But at the same time, this will devastate your interface, so you will have something like that. And there's some of the apps available, but everything that was vital was basically left, and anything else was cut down from your phone. You can exit it without any problem and should go back to normal when you click on that exit button. And that is basically, I think, everything that you can do here to increase your battery life, at least when it's charged.